Hello dear friends. So today we are going to start with the PYQs of October 2022 part 3. So let's begin. The question is asking what is the maximum unit for adding to a Telegram group? 3 lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000 or no limit. So the correct answer is 2 lakh. Okay, the maximum unit for adding to a Telegram group is 2 lakh. The R Gupta book says B and C both 1 lakh and 2 lakh, but it is not correct. Even if we go by this, then 1 lakh 50,000 should also be added, because the maximum limit is 2 lakh. Then we can also add 1 lakh 50,000 or 1 lakh students. Okay, so forget all this, but only remember that the maximum unit for adding to a Telegram group is 2 lakh. Okay. Next question is, which of the following are film directors? Sunil Dutt, Dharmendra, Sikandar Bharti, Imtiaz Ali, Vivek Agnihotri. If you are familiar with the recent directors, you can answer this question. If you see, we have heard the name of Imtiaz Ali and Vivek Agnihotri many times. So we can say D and E should be in the answer. And if you go by this, you can eliminate two options and can reach to the 50-50 part. We have to choose between B and C now. So B and C, Dharmendra or Sikandar Bharti. If you are lucky enough, then you can know that Dharmendra has not directed any of the film. So Sikandar Bharti is the correct answer. So the correct answer is Sikandar Bharti, Imtiaz Ali and Vivek Agnihotri. Remember the name of film directors. At least just familiar with yourself with the recent directors. Next question is, identify the true statements. Advertising helps increase primary demand. Advertising helps increase price hike. Advertising helps to identify products. Advertising helps increase loans. Advertising helps in increasing the customer base of an organization. If you have read advertising basics, you can answer this question. C. Option B. Advertising helps increase price hike. Why would an advertising do that? So it is eliminated. Then if you look at answer D, option D, advertising helps increase loans. Why would it increase loans? So these are negative statement also and don't sound appropriate. So eliminate B and D and you are left with A, C and E, which are the correct answers. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is not related to the website? Search next, search engine, search directory, search based advertising or search costs. So try to answer this. The R Gupta book has given the answer of B, C and D. Search engine, search directory and search based advertising. Okay. So but I have searched it on internet on Google, but I have not found like search based advertising or search directory anywhere. But anyway, uh, you can go with this. Like search engine, we know when we browse something, we use search engines like Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, etc. Search directory may be the history of what we have searched. Search based advertising, I don't know. So anyway, but search cost and search next, they don't sound very appropriate. So you can mark the answer B, C and D. Okay. Next is, Press Council of India was established to save press sentiments, to save religious sentiments, to save cultural sentiments, to save political sentiments, to save sentiments of people. So try to answer this. So the correct answer is to save press sentiments. Of course, it is the name itself is Press Council of India. So to save press sentiments and to save political sentiments. It is given in the R Gupta book also, and maybe in the introductory paragraph of Press Council of India, because journalism is much related with politics. So press sentiments and to save political sentiments is the correct answer. Next is secondary colors are called green, red, yellow, purple, orange. Which of the options are correct? So you should read the concept of primary colors and secondary colors. So the correct answer is green, purple and orange. So what are these primary and secondary colors? Primary colors are basic colors that can be mixed together to produce other colors. You can remember this by the acronym RYB, red, yellow, blue. Sometimes in your earlier school classes, we used to mix red and blue, then we used to get black and like this, So remember, primary colors are which can be mixed together to produce other colors, which are RYB, red, yellow, blue. Secondary colors, these are the color combinations created by the equal mixtures of two primary colors. On the color wheel, secondary colors are located between primary colors. According to the traditional color wheel, red and yellow makes orange, red and blue makes purple, and blue and yellow makes green. So in our question also, we have green, purple and orange. Okay, which are secondary colors. Next is research is A, assumption, B, investigation, C, knowledge, D, challenge, E, source. So the one of the most appropriate answers is investigation. In research, we investigate a problem. So uh, if we see in the option 3 and 4, only B is present. So eliminate option 1 and 2, then we can reach to a 50-50 situation. Then now we have to choose between A and D, assumption or D, challenge. So assumption is the most appropriate answer in this situation. So assumption and investigation are the correct options. Okay. Next is match the list. You have to match the list of editors with the newspapers. N. Ram, S.P. Singh, B.G. Varghese, Harish Khare. These N. Ram and B.G. Varghese and Harish Khare, these three are very important names. So you should know about them. N. Ram is associated with the Hindu. Harish Khare, you might have heard his name in the Tribune. So the correct answer is N. Ram, the Hindu, S.P. Singh, Nav Bharat Times, B.G. Varghese, Hindustan Times, and Harish Khare, the Tribune. Okay. Next is you have to match the organization with their establishment years. Prasar Bharati, Press Council of India, All India Radio, the Films Division. Press Council of India is very important, so you must know its date. So it is 1966. Then All India Radio is also very important. It is 1936. Okay, so B goes for 1 and C for 3. C goes for 3. So here we can reach to the right answer. So Prasar Bharati was established in 1997, Press Council of India in 1966, All India Radio in 1936 and the Films Division in 1948. Okay, remember these years. Next question is match the list of editors with the newspapers and news agency. Ram Bahadur Rai, Rajat Sharma, Ram Kripal Singh, Raj Kamal Jha. You might have heard the name of Raj Kamal Jha. It is associated with Indian Express. Then Rajat Sharma also. Currently also his program Aapki Adalat is being run on India TV. So B3, India TV. Okay, like this you can reach to the right answer, which is Ram Bahadur Rai with Hindustan Samachar, Rajat Sharma India TV, Ram Kripal Singh with Nav Bharat Times and Raj Kamal Jha with Indian Express. Okay, I'm trying to tell you that you might know all the answers of all the options, but if you know the prominent ones, you can easily reach to the right answer by eliminating the other options. Okay. Next is match the list of broadcasting organization with their year of origin. All India Radio, Voice of America, BBC, that is British Broadcasting Corporation, and then Radio Ceylon. All these four organizations are very important, so try to remember their years of origin. So the correct answer is All India Radio 1936, Voice of America 1942, BBC in 1922 and Radio Ceylon in 1925. I again repeat, All India Radio, we have done it just now. Uh, All India Radio 1936, Voice of America 1942, BBC 1922 and Radio Ceylon 1925. Next is match the list of theory with the theorist. As I keep saying, theories are very important, so read all the important theories and their who propounded these theories. So diffusion theory, cultivation analysis theory, propaganda theory, entertainment theory. Try to answer this. Diffusion theory. In the earlier questions, we have dealt with Everett Rogers or E.M. Rogers, diffusion of innovation theory. So A goes for 4. Okay. Then propaganda. Propaganda is associated with Harold Laswell. Okay. Diffusion theory, Everett Rogers. Cultivation analysis theory, George Gerbner. And propaganda theory, Harold Laswell. And entertainment theory, Dolph Zillman. Okay. Remember these names and what these theories says. You can Google these theories. Okay. Next is match the editors with their newspapers. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Deen Dayal Upadhyay. I have told you time and again that Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, especially these two are very important. So remember their publications or newspapers or magazines. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak is associated with Kesari, but you can't eliminate any option by knowing this option. Then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, try to answer. He is associated with Prabuddha Bharat. So and Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, the leader, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Rashtra Dharma. I again repeat, Bal Gangadhar Tilak Kesari, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Prabuddha Bharat, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, the leader, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Rashtra Dharma. Next is match the list 1 with list 2. In list 1, there is marketplace, lists, boomerang, RSS. These are the words, terms I mean, and they are associated with which of the platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WordPress. So you are young people, you might be using all these apps, so you must know. Boomerang is associated with Instagram. C goes for 1. And by knowing just this one option, C, boomerang is associated with Instagram, you can reach to the right answer, which is 3214. Marketplace. If you use Facebook, Marketplace, the option of the tab of Marketplace appears on Facebook. Then lists. Lists is associated with Twitter. Boomerang, as I told you, Instagram. Then RSS, WordPress. Okay. RSS is not here Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. It is some technical term which is associated with WordPress, which is a blogging platform. Okay. Next is match the list of editors with the newspapers. Prabhash Joshi, Vidya Nivas Mishra, M.J. Akbar, Arun Shourie. M.J. Akbar, Arun Shourie, Prabhash Joshi. These are very important names. So the correct answer is Prabhash Joshi with Jansatta, Vidya Nivas Mishra with Nav Bharat Times, M.J. Akbar with Asian Age, and Arun Shourie with Indian Express. Okay, Arun Shourie, Indian Express, M.J. Akbar, Asian Age, Vidya Nivas Mishra, Nav Bharat Times, Prabhash Joshi with Jansatta. Next, match the list of TV channels with TV anchors. NDTV, Aaj Tak, Sansad TV, News 24, and the TV anchor's name is given on the right hand side. Try to answer this. Some of them are still working on these channels. So the correct answer is NDTV, Nidhi Kulpati, Aaj Tak, Chitra Tripathi, Sansad TV, Ashok Srivastava, and News 24, Sandeep Chaudhary. You might be knowing these names if you watch television. Then match the list. On the left hand side we have the news agencies, and on the right hand side we have year of formation. We have discussed this question earlier also, and I have told you again and again that news agencies are important. So try to match these options. TASS, Reuters, AP, UNI. So the correct answer is the I need to tell you that the news agencies and their year of information are given wrong options. I have searched it on Google, and the correct options I have found like this. So the TASS year of formation is 1904, Reuters 1851, AP Associated Press 1846, and UNI 1961. ठीक है? So correct these options. You can yourself check it on Google. Next is, according to Winner or Weiner, blog posts canonically encode in this information: title and text, tags and categories, author, time of publication, URL. You have to tell the sequence in which a blog post appears. If you have written any blogs on WordPress or Blogspot or any other website, then you can answer this. Blog posts canonically meaning following a general rule or accepted procedure. So the question is asking what is the rule or what is the sequence of writing blog post. So the correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. First appears title and text, then tags and categories, then author, then time of publication, then URL. Okay. Title, as we can infer that in any content, title and text appears first, then we give tags, then author name, then time of publication, then URL. Next question is, identify the correct chronological sequence of following mobile advertising spending in BRICS countries. The question is asking which of the BRICS countries. You know what is BRICS? It is an organization of 5 countries for economic or other military cooperation. BRICS like Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. So you have to tell in the BRICS countries, you have to tell the chronological sequence of which which of the country spend more on advertising, mobile advertising spending. So the correct answer is D, China, C, India, E, Brazil, B, Russia, and A, South Africa. If you see, uh, South Africa is a developing country, and so it will not be spending much on advertising because it needs to cater to other needs of people. So A should be coming in the end, and by applying this logic you can reach to the right answer because A comes in the end only in one option. Okay, so you can apply such kind of tricks. Arrange the following Information and Broadcasting Ministers of India in correct chronological order: Indira Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Krishna Advani, Sushma Swaraj, Indra Kumar Gujral. So if you have read a little Indian polity, you can know the answer. See, Indira Gandhi came first. She was an I&B minister in Lal Bahadur Shastri cabinet. So Indira Gandhi A comes first. Then if you sorry, I got it wrong because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, when our country got independence, he was the first I&B minister. So B comes first. Sorry, I'm real sorry. Then A, Indira Gandhi. After Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, then Indira Gandhi became the next I&B minister. Then if you know these the options, then you can reach to the right answers, which is B, A, E, C, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, then Indira Gandhi, then Indra Kumar Gujral, then Lal Krishna Advani, and then Sushma Swaraj. Okay. Next question is, arrange the following in correct chronological sequence. These acts are very important, and these press and registration sorry Press and Registration of Book Act, Official Secrets Act, Copyright Act, RNI, Indian Cinematography Act. These are very important. So you should know their formation, year of formation, okay? Year of passing these acts. So the correct answer is Press and Registration of Books Act. It was passed in 1867, then Official Secrets Act 1923, then Indian Cinematography Act 1952, then RNI, Registrar of Newspapers of India 1956, then Copyright Act came in 1957. Remember these important dates. Next is identify the correct sequence of following top TV advertisers in terms of their advertising expenditure in India. Which of the companies you have to tell the sequence of the companies which spend more on advertising expenditure. I mean, which do more advertising expenditure, and in the descending order you have to tell the sequence. PepsiCo Company India, Ricket Bankisar, Bharti Airtel, ITC Limited, and Hindustan Unilever. So the correct answer is Hindustan Unilever. It is a very big company. Then Ricket Bankisar, then ITC Limited, then PepsiCo India. It was not PepsiCo company, it was PepsiCo India. Then C Bharti Airtel. Okay. If you knew that Hindustan Unilever uh, has the most advertising expenditure among the given options, you could have reached to the right answer. Okay. Next is correct chronological sequence of the following theories: Frankfurt School Theory, Dependency Theory, Normative Theory, Toronto School Theory, Communist Media Theory. So try to answer this, and the correct answer is first came Communist Media Theory, then Frankfurt School Theory, then Toronto School Theory, then Normative Theory, and then Dependency Theory. Google these theories and try to know what these theories say, when they came. Okay. Next is select the correct sequence of the following statutes in advertising and law in India. These acts are associated with advertising. So you have to tell the correct sequence. Young Persons Harmful Publications Act, Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act, Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act, Prevention of Insults of the National Honor Act, Prize Competitions Act. So you should remember all the years of their passing. So Young Persons Harmful Publications Act came in 1956, Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition 1986, Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use 1950, Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971, and Prize Competition Act 1955. So according to this, you can arrange the chronological sequence. Okay, you can take a screenshot also. Next, the chronological order of social media platform: YouTube, Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. So try to have a guess at least. If you see Facebook came first, and just by knowing this, you can reach to the right answer. Facebook, then YouTube, then other things. So Facebook 2004, YouTube 2005, Twitter 2006, Tumblr 2007, and then Instagram 2010. They are very close years, but you should remember the years. Next is arrange the following in chronological order: DVD player invented, first TV transmission, introduction of audio cassettes, Microsoft Windows launched, Gmail was developed. So try to answer this. In all the four options, B is given at the first point. So we should we know B came first. First TV transmission happened first. Then we also know that Gmail was developed later. In the among the given options, Gmail was developed very much later. So E comes in the end. So you reach to the do you reach to the 50-50 situation? No. Okay, then uh, try to give one more option. Then happened introduction of audio cassettes. Okay. So first TV transmission 1959, then introduction of audio cassettes 1963, then Microsoft Windows were launched in 1985, then DVD player invented 1995, and then Gmail was developed in 2004. Okay. Next is arrange the following Indian journalists in seniority order on the basis of their contribution: Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Ambedkar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rajendra Mathur, Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. It is a very tough question. So, if you have read modern Indian history, you might answer this. So, the correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, then Mahatma Gandhi, then Dr. Ambedkar, then Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi, and then Rajendra Mathur. Next is, these are very easy questions. These are assertion and reason questions. You have to choose the most appropriate answers from assertion and reason. The scientific method goes beyond the solution of the practical problems. Reason is the scientific method of solution involves controlled experimentation. So if you see assertion, scientific method, of course, it goes beyond the solution of practical problems. Sometimes it gives theories also. It gives, of course, it gives the solution of practical problems, but it also goes beyond that. And what it involves controlled experimentation. Of course, we apply controlled we do controlled experimentation. So A is also correct, and then B, our reason is also correct, and it is the correct explanation of A assertion. Next is assertion says a media company owns numerous companies which involved in media enterprise. And conglomerates use their access in multiple areas to share various kind of media contents. For this, you should read media ownership. What is media ownership? So first assertion is, although it is a little vague statement, but a media company owns numerous companies which involved in media enterprise. So a media company can own, and which are these media companies? These are conglomerates. Conglomerates, what they do is, apart from other businesses, they have media ownership as one of their major business, business part. Okay, so we both of these are correct. Assertion, it is also correct, and then reason is the correct explanation of A. Then a printed, these are the two statements, and you have to select the correct, for which you have to select the most appropriate answer. A printed statement that falsely impugns or defame a person's character is called slander. So there are two terms, slander and libel. So they say printed statement is slander. So you should know if it is correct or not. Then yellow journalism is a style of news that lacks any sense of social responsibility and privileges sensational stories. So statement 2 is of course correct, and then you might get confused in statement 1. So it is statement 1 is wrong. It is incorrect. Yellow journalism, of course, it is associated with sensational stories, but libel and slander are two forms of defamation, which is an untrue statement presented as fact and intended to damage a person's character or reputation. Libel is defamatory statement made in writing. Okay, the written defamation is called libel, and slander is spoken defamatory statement. So you can remember this by SS, slander, spoken. Okay. Next is, films division is encouraging and promoting a culture of filmmaking in India. Of course, it is the work of film division. Then film division is not the main filmmaking organization of the government of India. It is not. So it is incorrect. Film division is one of the main filmmaking organization of government of India. So it is correct. So it is incorrect, and then statement 1 is correct. So the last question of today's video is, the play theory of mass communication is a book written by William Stephenson. The play theory of mass communication is a communication theory developed by Wilbur Schramm. They too are making contradictory statements. So statement 1 is correct. Play theory of mass communication is book written by William Stephenson. He is the one who gave this play theory of mass communication, and statement 2 is incorrect. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. We have finished the October 2020, sorry, correct this, October 2022 paper, and then like this we will keep doing the rest of the papers. If you find the content helpful, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much, dear aspirants. Thank you.